How to change message alert on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change message alert tone on Android phone. First, in open settings and scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps here. Now just type WhatsApp or Facebook or anything you want, and here you will find notifications. Click on it, and here you will find the message notifications. Click on it, and if you want to change it, just click notification sound and select a notification sound you want here, or you can just take it from your device. And that's it. That's how to change message alert sound on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.